At Citybox, we have a team of 5 in-house interior architects and 1 project manager. Together we plan, design and develop every new hotel from the first sketches to the final details. In the Kristiansand project, it felt appropriate to use a material and color palette that clearly incorporates one of our values, playfulness. Kristiansand probably stands out the most of Norway's cities in high season due to the huge number of families with children visiting Dyreparken, the zoo. The green surfaces and lush plant boxes, together with the warm tones of the floor and walls, gives the lobby a feeling of the tropics. The interior invites you to play through the form and function of the elements, which brings me to design and function. Durable surfaces in the lobby and hotel rooms are environmentally conscious choices, but also choices made from a financial and operational perspective. Despite being in the budget segment, we believe it's just as important to make good investments in the quality of the surfaces. But a lobby full of hard surfaces can quickly present other challenges, such as the sound environment. One example to provide good sound environment is the felt slats above the modular sofa. These felt slats are strategically placed to absorb some of the noise that could potentially be produced by guests here, while using the sofa landscape as intended. The Kristiansand project was a bit of a 2-for-1 project, where we had to work with both new construction and an existing hotel building in need of some attention. It was a challenging but exciting process where we constantly were faced with the dilemma of whether we could live the existing part enough to make it a seamless transition from new to old without it costing too much. Despite the rooms being different, they all have the same quality in surfaces and products. All the rooms have woolen flooring made of woven vinyl, an allergy-friendly alternative to carpets, and the cleaning is 100% chemical-free. We have our customized furnitures, beautiful double curtains, and very comfortable beds. Designing Citybox Kristiansand has been a journey of balancing creativity with practicality, always with our guests and values in mind. We're really proud of how it turned out, and I think the space captures that playful and welcoming feeling we were aiming for.